You can eat your water in the form of fruits and veggies rich in water content. Today in this video, I will tell you ways to eat your water, for healthy body and skin. The amount of water in the human body ranges from 45 to 75%. The average adult human body is 50 to 65% water, averaging around 57 to 60%. We need 8 glasses of water per day. Water can help with weight control because it keeps you feeling full, it flushes toxins out of our bodies, and our kidneys need water to function. Most of our water consumption comes from foods including fruits and veggies, according to the Institute of Medicine. Here are some hydrating foods that contain high water content and will help your skin to stay hydrated. Number 1. Cucumber. Cucumbers contain about 95% water. Plus, they're packed with potassium, which may help prevent stroke. On top of that, they contain an anti-inflammatory substance, fisetin, which promotes brain health. Number 2. Zucchini. With a water content of 95%. They are high in antioxidants. They are good for your eyes, skin, and heart, as well as offer some protection against certain types of cancer. Number 3. Watermelon. Watermelon contains about 92% water. Watermelon is rich in nutrients like vitamin A, B6, and C, as well as lycopene and antioxidants. Number 4. Celery. Lean, green, and a cancer-fighting machine contains 95% water. Flavonoid in celery has the potential to inhibit cancer cell growth, especially in the pancreas. Number 5. Carrots. Carrots are 90% water and are high in fiber. On top of that, they're good for your eyes. Carrots are really important for good vision. Number 6. Radishes. Contains 95% water. The vitamin C in radishes, along with zinc and phosphorus, can help you fight skin dryness, acne, and rashes. The high water content in radishes also helps hydrate the skin. To create a natural cleanser or mask for your face, use smashed raw radishes. Number 7. Kiwi. Kiwi is made up of 85% water. Kiwis will help you for better skin complexion. They contain highest amounts of vitamin C, vitamin E, and have natural antibacterial and antimicrobial properties. Kiwis also stimulate collagen production. Number 8. Peaches. Contain 88% water content. A great source of vitamin C, peach helps to remove dark circles and blemishes. It tightens the skin's pores and does wonders for a tired skin. Number 9. Potatoes. Contain 80% water. They contain an enzyme called catecholase which helps to brighten skin and get rid of dark spots. You can even use potato juice to lessen the appearance of dark circles. Potatoes are also anti-aging and can gently exfoliate your skin. Number 10. Broccoli. Broccoli contain 91% water. Broccoli is full of many vitamins and minerals important for skin health, including zinc, vitamin A, and vitamin C. It also contains lutein, a carotenoid that works like beta-carotene. Lutein helps protect your skin from oxidative damage, which can cause your skin to become dry and wrinkled. Number 11. Eggplant. Eggplant contain water content of about 89%. Eggplants deliver some vitamin C, which protects our skin and body from oxidative damage. Vitamin C also prevents other signs of aging, including fine lines, wrinkles and dark spots. Number 12. Tomatoes. Tomatoes contain 95% of water content. May help protect against skin cancer, sunburns and skin inflammation. They stimulate collagen production and remove dead skin cells. Number 13. Strawberries. Strawberries contain 92% of water. They have strong astringent, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidants properties that treat burns, protect your skin from UV rays, and delay aging. Strawberries are packed with alpha hydroxylic acid that can help you get rid of dead skin cells. Number 14. Iceberg lettuce. Water content in iceberg lettuce is about 96%. It is good for skin. Lettuce contains vitamin E and vitamin C, which is good for skin. Vitamin E also provides protection against the sun's harmful ultraviolet rays and reduces the risk of skin diseases. Number 15. Cauliflower. Cauliflower contains about 92% water content. The sulforaphane in cauliflower may actually protect the skin from ultraviolet radiation damage and skin cancer. Number 16. Pineapple. Water content in pineapple is about 86%. Pineapple juice contains vitamin C and beta-carotene. Antioxidants in pineapple can help in reducing wrinkles, improving overall skin texture, and minimizing skin damage from sun and pollution exposure. Number 17. Starfruit. Starfruit is the number 1 most hydrating fruit on the planet, with more than 91% of its body consisting of water. The content of oxalic and vitamin A helps reduce acne and inflammation in the skin, while vitamin C helps brighten the skin, reduce black spots and encourage collagen production. Number 18. Grapefruit. 90% water content is present in grapefruits. Rich in the antioxidant and beta-carotene, it transforms dull, dehydrated complexions and leaves your skin beautifully radiant. Number 19. Plain yogurt. A 1-cup serving of plain yogurt is made up of about 88% water. It moisturizes your skin. If your skin needs a boost of moisture, you can try using a yogurt face mask to rejuvenate your skin. Number 20. Apples. Apples are made up of more than 85% water, but they're better known as a great source of fiber. Apples are great for maintaining healthy skin and hair. That's because they contain vitamin C and B.